Oh, you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Alrighty, I have had tacos in a minute, you guys, and I already browned my ground beef, and I'm gonna show you. If you guys know how to brown ground beef, okay. So, only thing that I use when I brown my ground beef. This is the only thing I use. I added the when I ground my ground beef, I added taco season, the season mix, and a can of rotel tomato. So easy, simple, I guarantee. So I just want to let you guys know that. Okay. And this is the taco shell that I'm using. I don't know if I think I might have this before. The spicy um, chipila chatter. I think I might have this before. I just can't remember it. Because I have had no tacos in a long time. So this is another easy thing that you guys could do if you don't want to do a lot of cutting up. Get some of the shredded lettuce, okay? And this is the cheese that I'm having with it. Again, that's the ground beef. And I did chop up me run tomatoes and onion as well. Now, I don't think I have never had this before, but this is really sour cream, you know? Yeah, that's really sour cream and from Mexicana. Yeah, I think that's what they call it, Mexicana. And also guacamole. It's already smashed it. This is the real. This ain't fake, you guys. That's why I say real. And some olive. This is it. So this is all my ingredient for my tacos. This is my taco dinner. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to get started. Everything is ready. And I'm going to show you guys what kind of dish that I'm going to put it in. Okay? Alrighty. Okay, you guys, so this is the container that I'm going to have to put on it. Yep, that's the container that I'm going to serve it with. And okay, I like these shells because it stands up. See? Now I'm going to go ahead and put my cheese. Okay, I put my cheese. And I'm going to put it back in the microwave so I can melt a little cheese. Okay, put it back in there. Okay, my cheese melt a little bit. Okay, and it don't matter if some of the onion stuff fall out. That's why I got it in this container. Okay, I put my olive, and you guys don't have to put olive, but I love some olive, so that's why I put some on here. They're gonna be my super taco. Yep, there's how it look. Okay, put my waka. Okay, I put my creamer. That's what it's called. Guys, probably can't hardly see my taco now since I put my lettuce on it. But that's why I'm showing you guys step by step, okay? And the last thing is my tomatoes. Wowza, boy, don't that look good? And I got some little taco sauce for it. And then I might, yeah. But anyway, this is my dinner. Taco, super taco. Anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions, thumb this video up. And if you guys, if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below, and share with your friends and family as well. And if you guys are already coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. It doesn't cost you guys anything. You know, just subscribe and hit that notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And if you guys are ready to subscribe to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And that it is. Hope you guys make this. Well, make it how I make my my tacos. Okay? All right. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. And you guys, this is, even though you can't see it, but you can see it at the first beginning when I make it, but this is the taco shell that I use. It's called a spicy. I just want to make sure at the end that you guys don't have to go back and see what kind of taco shell that I made it with. But that's it. Okay. Bye-bye.